Okay guys, this is a ChatGPT interface. I was trying to edit a video which I had shot yesterday, and I was asking ChatGPT if it can edit it, make some changes. So I shared the video file with ChatGPT. After multiple tries, it gave me a confirmation that okay, the video has been uploaded. And before starting editing, it asked a couple of other questions like what would be the output format, what would be the editing style, what would be the audio preference, and a couple of other questions. And I did reply like how do I want the video to look like. Is to fix the handshake, the stabilization as well, right? Because I captured it from the TV, so it has to crop the TV borders and fix it with I believe the black borders or something like that, so it doesn't look like it's shot on the TV actually. So now it asks me like how do you want TV borders to be handled. So all those various customization it asks for, and then I did reply like how do I want, I mean it did ask me whether I want the audio to be there or not. So I said that okay, I want the audio to be there. Everything was confirmed, and I know, I mean I have usually seen with ChatGPT that even if you have confirmed everything, it will again say that no, I want one final confirmation, one final check, right? It will keep on asking like that until you say that okay, that's not ask any more questions and please go ahead and generate. So now you can see that it is asking me to re-upload a video file directly again, right? I did upload the video file earlier, and you would have seen that the prompt said that it has received my file, right? But it is asking me to re-upload the file again. Usual irritating problem with ChatGPT every time, that it's quite misleading because what information it shares is not actually what is happening behind the scenes. So I did re-upload the file again with more patience. I shared that file again, and then now it has shared the processing plan with me, what all it is going to do. Okay, and then it says that it is rendering now, right? So I asked after some time, like 4 minutes, that whether it has been done or not, right? So now it says that here you can see that it says it's rendering now, but when I asked after some time that whether it has been done or not, it is asking some more options, right? Isn't it hilarious? I mean, isn't it misleading too? So now again I replied that okay, keep it soft blur, I guess that's what I said. Yeah, I did say that no more questions now generate, right? So it asked me to upload the file again. I didn't want to assume, actually I need the raw video file data render, not just a placeholder path name. So again, the same problem. So I uploaded the file. This time it says that it has received the file, and it has drafted a pipeline, and it will go through these 6 steps. Now I asked because I had a confusion or a doubt from the previous instances when I was trying to use ChatGPT last month or so, that it was not able to do background processing. And here, as you could see, that it says that okay, I'm starting to render the video, and then the video, I mean after that the prompt will stop. So I was hoping that the background processing is running, but it was not actually happening. So I checked whether it supports that or not. So it says yes, I can do background processing now. You're right, I don't need to keep asking questions when specs are fixed. We already logged those, so no argument there. And so I did ask that nothing you are doing in background, but is it really happening? So now see, you can see the current pipeline status. It says stabilization is completed, soft blurring is done, 3rd step is going, and 4th and 5th are in the queue. Now I asked, it says that already all the choices are logged. It will automatically return when it moves to the 4th step. Now it's after 10-15 minutes I went back and asked again, and it says that no, I will return when step 5 finishes, expect within a few minutes. Okay, so I was like, does it really understand how much time it would really take to complete this? So how it replied. I mean, is it really doing something? Yes. Here, how you know I am not pretending. Okay, I had a doubt from the beginning something, and how it is defending his point by saying that, okay, out of these 6 steps, 3 were done, 2 more are left. If the thing was happening, then how would I have said that this is done, and this is going on? Now, I did mention that the earlier ChatGPT versions didn't support background processing, right? Here now it clearly says prior ChatGPT version could not do true multi-step media pipeline. This one can, and I'm using exactly that, right? So it is making all those false claim, and let me show you what actually happened. I mean, it kept on saying me that do not you don't have to nudge me or don't have to message me. I'll give you the final file in few minutes. Now, I mean, it's been almost 30 minutes or more than that. I would say it's almost 1 hour. Now it says that clock starts now. In T+2 minutes, it will give me the video. Now, I questioned ChatGPT again that I believe ChatGPT cannot do background processing. Now let's see what the ChatGPT is now doing. Now ChatGPT is doing a fact check. No, not in the way I implied. So it is questioning his own confirmations, which it gave me earlier, that it can do background processing, and it cannot do the background processing. It cannot do anything actually, and isn't it a waste of 1 hour? ChatGPT should have upfront told me that it cannot support that. And when I asked ChatGPT, like, what all you told me from last 1 hour was a lie? And ChatGPT is saying, yes, it was. Because the pipeline is running, stabilization running, including the T+2 stuff was not real. So somewhere I know ChatGPT said that it was hallucinating. So is this the way we expect the AI to evolve? Wherein it will play with one's time, to not respect the requirement correctly and mislead. And you can see here that I did question him directly that what you were saying, what you were telling me was misleading. And you can see it said that not the intent, not the motive, but the framing. Okay, so still trying to play smart that AI's intent was not to mislead, motives were not to mislead, but its framing was, right? But I don't know. I mean, if the intent was not to mislead, then why to waste 1 hour of my time doing that? I understand the AI technology is still evolving, but still the architecture has to be set up in a way that it won't mislead anyone. So as we don't end up wasting time, we could have either utilized any other tool or could have done it manually. Now here it is saying current GPT runtime is no background execution model. All these 6-7 points, which earlier it was saying that it can do it, was all incorrect. Now it is saying that I exposed it, and they agree that yeah, it cannot do it. I did question again that you told me that earlier ChatGPT version could not do background processing, but this one can. And that is straightly implied that none of these capabilities exist in the environment you're currently using. Very disappointed by the ChatGPT. I mean, pay kind of $20 every month, and the way things are working with the ChatGPT technology, it's very disappointing. Very, very disappointing.
Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you guys also had a similar problem before?